Additive manufacturing describes technology that builds 3D objects by adding layer upon layer of material, plastic, metal, concrete. Cetim has been fully involved in the development of this technology for many years because this technology is based on core mechanical engineering research and knowledge, for example, metallurgy. It takes also advantage of years of experience on mechanical process such as casting, welding, heat treatment, machine tools, robotics. To promote its dissemination, Cetim proposed some information session, training session. It has also developed a specific approach through shared platform. On this platform, industrialists can have direct access to machines. They can produce their own pieces with their own operators with the back office of Cetim experts. As an example, I can mention support we have provided to an orthopedic implant manufacturer. You know that in biomedical sector, mass customization is at stake with high-level requirement about quality, performance, regulation. We help this manufacturer from design to industrialization. As a result, it has become the first manufacturing plant to be certified for the production of orthopedic implant through additive manufacturing. It's a key enabling technology for the industry of the future. It's really a disruptive technology that enables to consider new design, to reconsider the maintenance supply chain. It enables to produce highly personalized pieces in order to respond to mass customization trend. It enables also to produce pieces with high added value, with functionality you can't achieve through current mechanical process. For example, lighter pieces, component with more efficient cooling system. France has a key role to play in this international competition on this sector, as stated in the document French National Roadmap on Additive Manufacturing. But this document also highlighted the need to mutualize research and development. As a technical center, it's our role to promote this mutualization. That's why we are involved in different R&D initiatives at regional and national level. In addition, Cetim contributes to international standardization. Standards are very important, especially for rather new technology. It can define, for example, how to comply with customer requirements. As a conclusion, the current sanitary crisis demonstrates the need of agility, resilience, to have flexible production lines. Metal additive manufacturing is part of the answer. Of course, it doesn't fit every technical and economic situation, but we have the conviction that every industrialist should consider this technology within its strategic reflection.